In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make sweet crunchy coated peanuts, perfect for snacking, gifting or treating yourself. Let's get into it. Here are my ingredients: some groundnut, salt and sugar, then powdered milk. I also need some vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and of course multi-purpose flour. So the first thing to do is to add some salt into the groundnut and then blanch it with hot water. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes, after which you strain out the liquid, then spread it in a tray to dry out. So first thing first, let's prepare our dry ingredients. So into a bowl, add your flour, then salt and your powdered milk. Mix everything thoroughly together and then when ready, set it aside. So into a separate bowl, let's prepare our wet ingredients. Add your 2 eggs, then 2 spoons of vanilla extract and of course the sugar. Mix everything thoroughly together until the whole sugar are properly dissolved. Okay. Once ready, it's time to coat our peanuts. Okay, so first go in with the wet ingredients. Add 2 spoons of the egg mixture into the groundnut and when added, shake it together in the bowl. Okay, do not add too much at a time. I added about 2 spoons and when everything is thoroughly mixed, then I added 2 spoons of the flour. So once added again, mix thoroughly together until everything is finely coated with the groundnut. Okay, do not add too much at a time. I added my egg mixture again and then I stir it together. Once the groundnut is dried for coating, it will make the coating easier for you. Okay, so I decide to coat as many times as possible, but for me I think I coated about 6 times in order to achieve my well-coated peanuts. Coat as many times as possible until all your groundnuts are well coated and you are satisfied with your result. Once the whole groundnut has been well coated, the next thing to do now is to sieve out excess flour. Okay, so pour the coated peanut into a sieve and shake off excess flour from it. This will help to prevent early burning. Okay, by this time our groundnut oil should be ready on the fire. So to know if the oil is hot, just drop about 2 or 3 pieces of the coated peanut into it, and once there is this bubbling around, then the groundnut oil is very hot. Pour the remaining coated peanut into the hot oil on fire and stir occasionally from time to time in order to prevent burning. Okay, it's advisable you fry this peanut on medium heat to avoid burning. Each section can take between 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, once fried and golden brown, then remove it from the fire. Don't wait until it is very dark before you remove it, because it continues frying even when it is removed on fire, unless you are frying a burnt peanut, which is not what you really want. Okay, remove and drain on paper towel or into a sieve. Let them cool completely before storing in an airtight container. If you still have some others left, pour it into the oily hot oil and continue your frying. And there you have it, sweet crunching coated peanut made right in your kitchen, perfect for movie nights, parties or just munching while watching your favorite shows. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipes right here on Ese Can Cook. So until next time, God bless you and bye.